Hi guys, welcome to the exciting show. Yes, the Lokshin podcast. Once again, I'm your host today. My name is Newman Trinted.
And I'm Lee Native.
Yes, we are from Asante Boys, you know. I'm the percussionist and this the
DJ.
Yes, my guy. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the exciting show, the Lokshin podcast.
Episode.
What's the episode like out?
Episode 20.
Episode 20. This can be. Yes, exciting, and I'm so excited to be here with you guys. Today we are going to share a very exciting topics with me. Yes, I guess let's can expectorate ngesikhiwa.
Wena.
Amabhandles akho manje amabhandles esikhiwa.
Expectorate. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, today we are excited to be here. I'm excited to be here, and
I'm also happy.
this is my first time to be here, so I feel like, this is special. Like, yes. So I don't know.
Before siqalisa ngihle ngibe off topic singakahambi ku script sethu whatever sicabanga ukuthi sakhuluma.
Yeah.
Ngani nintshele this studio these days Asante Mocho nabona ama status ngani hle litshela abantu. What can people expect?
Okay. Thank you so much for this opportunity, Mnikazi. Asante Boys bring out a very exciting production. Indandana is a production like on stage, like literally we did the premiere in Dandanda, like a dance and music DJ production percussion. So now we are doing the Indandanda musical and Indandanda the sounds of Africa.
Yasti mbona ni album ni blind ngani? Khona kanothi every time ngihlangana lo muntu who's trying to give advice to Asante Mo, another artist. Ama chance so mele likhitha ingoma zenyu.
Yeah, we come across indaba ezinhle.
So I think that's the whole point of us bringing that album to try and do our own songs. So as Asante Mo, I think it's right time to do our own songs. So Indandanda is an Afro-tech album, something fresh, something new. Yeah, I think people must expect something different. This is studio. When you're building something, we lose the So I think people must expect something vibrant, something very good from us as Asante Mo. I think we are trying to bring something new, something unique. So far,
some DJs kumele ahlale ready. Ama DJs akumele ahlale ready because guys,
it's a very vibrant.
Night freak ifila njani nje use sipana Afrotech igenre yenu vele ihlele ifaka emzileni nanothi vele.
I think okay, yabona kusaba kuba unique like that ukukela ukuthi DJ ukuthi we are choosing something different. Thina sibe background ethi ku dance group of course. But now we are trying to do something that is almost different than a dance group setup. Kokani sibe lo DJ wethu, sibe lama drums, atransa guitar, labo DJ wethu. And most normally o DJ vela bakhiti. O DJ ngamashidalana zincane, imagine Netflix ekhita.
Manje isicela lesisavela ngapi vele seAsante Mo like yase lisibone somewhere mina of course ngiyabuza but ngangikhona initially qalisa kungu Newman lo Bex. But like the whole inspiration behind really, which alright, everyone in dance group. Alright, everyone abanye bagida ingumo. But ina sekwanza uhlanganisa radio lengumo.
Chayile beer.
I think it to creative process. Utsotse ke Marapa. Because Marapa I think is well experienced in a sense. He's been exposed to so many things. So what is right ukuthi kasiyenze konke esikwaziyo right konke sakufunde iyasa now is the time to explore as individuals to say akare konke sakufundayo mfanana whatever thina sakwazi ukuthi phakathi kwebeat le house kithi wosana because sayifunda. Let's use that advantage bro. Yeah, siphathi kwebeat le Afrotech sifake isichikicha because we know it's chikicha, so why can't we use that as an advantage? So that's the whole process. So to engage in modern dance, the culture, okunye futhi made us being unique as well because discover ukuthi zonke ingungu abantu abazisebenzisayo izingungu ze-Western Africa kumbe ngama-modern drums nalawana and they are easy to use. Like
just used to that.
But
Ijembe.
Ijembe is not our drum. Like it's not a Zimbabwean drum. I would say this.
All right.
Yeah, Ijembe is a Western African, Senegal,
mostly
Mali,
Ivory Coast, that side.
So when is the time to expose our drums? Like ukuthi yabona ingungu ezenziwa bomama becholocho mbabe nkayi kumbe abelupani izingungu esizisebenzisayo because isound yethu is the Southern African sound.
This is Zion.
Yeah, let's Zion. Isound yethu brother. That's our culture. Yabona ukuthi la isound siyabalekela into ezincane ezinjengazona lezi ukuthi check i-surrounding yami ngabomama bathengisa amatamatisi, amama bathengisa umbhida. I can't buy bacon emakhokhoba like for real. Yabona ukuthi ngazithola sezilichi i-cheese sangayilanda e-town lami njengokuthi ayimani uthanda i-cheese because sengi-exposed to cheese from Europe but yeah that's the truth. Because
ngamabhazi lapha sorry I think siyabuyela emuva. I mean I've worked with you like you know from kudala but like mina ngizayingahamba Europe. Still ukuthi kusitshela experience ya first time so gadi from machine uthi kharese inye mama nye Europe usuka nge first day wawufila njani?
I think
at a young age wawunganani futhi?
Only 20 20 yeah ngale 20 if 20 to 21 years I think ngale 21 reaching 22 years.
I'm sure kwakuchaza wesi imagine the experience there not umfana omncane ekasi
aso mina special kimi ukuthi siba ngu10 abafana then bese kuthiwa kufunakala umfana oyi1 then out of 10 la uyazi ukuthi then how do they choose 1 out of 10 so to me that was special
so which means experience yonke olayo khalesi as Asante Mo vele si-credita to
years so much
akula two ways about it uthi singacatsha uthi hayi angazigruma mina saziphika
angitsho ukuthi ngifuna ukuchaza uDube njenge-director wami but he played a very big role into this thing like yabona ukugruma umuntu like from a tender age you start a teenager until you become a young man and I once discovered which once we know going to be the difference between a young man a teenager a young man the moment you get something like $500 in your pocket and decide to send take umbheda le store for the TV yami the wardrobe yami
your own
lami ngisaza ukuthi ngiyavuka ngisiyapheka endlini yami then now you are no longer a teenager then sokulokuyi step so through guidance kamjidalana wayengathi ukuthi imali engunika yona ngifuna ukuthi uyebonakala njengembinga like kulezi zinto ezincane kulesase ekhuluma nje sesidlala hamba lami akwazi ukuthi ngale sathi yabona bombuluzela icheese le bacon sasisibiyele legazi zacheba uthintitha
uyidini nyama
alabona ukuthi yabona ukuthi uBida usukuseva lokuthi i-situation in life like so kunye uyakhonza ukutshela ukuthi like life ye-artist yonke artist yebo kade from China la mhla ngehlile from China vele Germany usambili ukuthi Germany wami usanukelela ibhele sithola vele la uyabuzifila like uyaba kule difference of course la ufita ngivela somewhere and kule different environment and now I'm coming home and nxa ufika ngikhaya behle botsheta amachance iyasiya perform enkayi and lisiyafika enkayi esento zethi hayi imoto ezicina la zinesitingi into ezingasithola yona inqola and wena akula 3 days bro unukelela ibhele lakho kona bana usanuka mnandi bra uvele ezweni usablind vele ugqoka iNike vele landani lokho entaveli kwazabona ukuthi imvele eGermany and then but sekuba sesistuck anokuthi mbithwa njani hayi labo bakwazi ukuthi ayimoto from lapha to country park vele abongena inqola zethu ize sizithembile zingastaka siyakwasenzana zokuthi zangile but imoto zakwazi ukuhlatshwa njani so lapha imoto zicina la Lazithola senqoleni amakazana ngale abafana ngale lisefika ngale izithala lala ngabona kade lala ku 5 star hotel
so divided sulale send
konke usulala esenta siyalala eclassini esikolo kuhle kuhle fikela abantu lifaka ingubo la siyalala manje ngendlala idaza kuhle kuhle normal that's job that's being an artist so sometimes I think the experience mina ngai experience I ukuthi athi i-environment yetshintsha very singama-artists atravel so khona i-mentality yama-artist ngise-Europe ngise-Gwanda kuyafanana la i-difference mode of transport to your next show
so
stage i-difference mode of transport because sometimes ungazitshela ukuthi nca ikhode ngikhuluma ukuthi nxa sisuka enkayi sesiya emaguswini angikhona siyagada inqola but still nxa siyafika lapha siyafika sidelive as iyasa or as Asante Mo but i-performance akudingi ukuthi mhlawumbe thina kade sikhathi iframachina sesiyedle lapha
because iqueue yakwanza ukufica likhona ufunctional
into ibhadala imali ekwana le Europe eligidelayo because that's your value then ngathi $800 le 1000 le 3000 client ibhadala
800 user
ayitshintshi baba ayitshintshi so i-mentality yama-artist wena uvele emazweni so ngimele ukuthi nxa ugade iframachina so kumele uyithenge indlu ayisikho ma-artist ayisikho and bazahlala besithome ukuthi asihambe emazweni ka-15 ulani emazweni uzavike uhola imali omele uyihole as an artist for those shows i-difference of course kukhatshana la ngini kule difference and kulama-advantages ukuthi ngalo yabe ukhona kule easy access to money of course one and two izinto ezithengiswayo khona lapha around zi-cheaper and uyakwanisa uzi-accessa very easily and zi-different than izinto ezithengiswa la yabo I'm so glad ukuthi sikwanisa ukuthi as African countries sikwanisa uku-introduce ukuthi i-kit even esiyigqokayo kuma-AFCON siziproduce at first I was so furious about it ukuthi wasidelela nje ikhithi bami nale and I was one of the people to say look away
local brand
but now to try to localize everything kuyenza nje kube le value and singayigqoka ikhithi lana ka10 indaba bona bengayithengi from Europe from Africa
ngibetha lapha abatshuni ikhithi blind
because lama designers are blind kalezi nje
yabo labo masala abahlezi emchineni bethunga laphana sesiboost i-township economy mbeni i-country wide economy yaboostika
kakhulu I'm so glad ukuthi kwaba le project yeMatopo ebo mama bapenda izindlu and bagcina
my beautiful home
yeah then ikhona inye sayenza I think it's one of the same projects labo mama bona
bependa uchomi
i-partnership le Germany industry
so that bapenda lesikole
so now they evolved that culture ukuthi bigcine sebeyenza izigqoko ezile print yeMatopo lokhana ukuthi kuyakhanya ukuthi lokhu kunje ngumduli weMatopo lalo umuntu ekugqokile so imagine ngihlala eMatopo ngakhulela eMatopo ngazala eMatopo I can even localize that yabo so kunjalo nje even internationally
alright so ngicela ukubisela back to iAsante Mo sayibona Asante Mo ya Chaya Gwanda Harare wathi ilevel neliyano ukuthi uyibona ibuyela emazweni is there a strategic plan or i-album emelisise khona ngale or thina i-hard work izasifikisa kuphela whether siyenzeni
I process like that we are always hoping and wishing to be able but sometimes every time now we are staging I product le jika suko ya la yazi ukuthi umuntu umuntu azasitshela ukuthi anafa ngalibona next year lokho liseZimbabwe hayi avela ngisalibukela ngisalilandeli but then it's a process so someone asked me almost the same question in a day so what is Asante Mo where is Asante Mo aqiniseni webami ngagagasa ngavoxa lapha ngayenzani but wamphendulela futhi at the same time but angusoli it takes time for you to understand yourself and i-time engikhuluma ngayo so 2 months it will take you 5 years even so like Caresses le 5 years and like sizama ukuthi sizidiscover ukuthi what exactly will take us to Europe
you never know ngicela ngagcina traditional
So like
Benjiga lights out.
You know,
Lights out in Asante Mo every show.
so those are the opportunities. Sometimes you might never know.
yeah. Imagine as ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Lights out in Asante Mo. Nzeng. Story iso. Kukudundu.
Alright, native wena ukujoineni kwakho iAsante Mo already uDJ besekhona. So in your mind, are you coming with the idea production ngoba vele lapha na vele ngingakaqalisa uproduce your own music or la ubuye usithi hayi ngu-assistant DJ? Are you the one obuya le idea ukuthi machance sekwaniyakwanisa upheka ama-beats phela mina siproduce nethu music or la ubuya as u-assistant ka-beast?
Okay. Mina iAsante Mo right now has 2 DJs. Officially it has 2 DJs. And right now we are at a stage so ukuthi silama packages ukuthi you can get 1 DJ ku show and or you can get 2 DJs ku show. And then now going back to me coming ngisiwa ku Asante Mo. I came to Asante Mo. I joined as a DJ and a producer because a production is one of my skills. It's I can say he level lapa I'm good at this. Yeah, because I've been a DJ for long back, like years, yabo. But now I came into the team with the production mindset. Now we have to create.
But it took you long to produce, my guy.
Yeah, brah. It took me long. Very.
After 2 years.
Yeah, so I think as an artist, I think it goes to everyone. Like you need to understand your strength. Yeah. So he came as a DJ, like literally. So our other DJ was somewhere else doing something for a great period of time. So Native came through as a DJ, but then he didn't tell us which is a good producer. Yeah, so see the computer here to now, and the computer because now he's a producer. Series doesn't call. He starts to bring out my ideas. Ah, guys, I've got this idea of a song. I once did this, and this is the one I once did. But now, why can't we do our own songs or bring those beats alright to our own? Then still we perform them now rather than performing other people's songs.
So, like more producer won't come up beats.
Yeah, most of them.
Almost
won't give it. Yeah. So mostly good production. What we do right now is we do ingoma. There is a time where I create a song because right now there is course. You play my keys, you play saxophone. We afaka my drums. We can create ingoma out of my drums. Then maybe says eta, more stuff. Because afaka saxophone. This song needs a vocal. Siqalisa ukuhlabela maybe unyumeni abuya abhala iscript sengoma ama lyrics I mean but yabe kuyi-script unganithanda ukubhala i-script kakhulu yabo so he would write a story then it makes sense now ingoma le is a direction.
Also unyumeni is the writer of the album, not ukuthi sithi sole writer but
yeah, mostly unyumeni
lo conceptualizer
unyumeni lo Bex most of those songs most eziningi zonke vele yiba babe buyalaza ukhosi I think wayebuya lama chorus but iyabe concept is good in that
the vocal.
So we would create songs. I think we spent like 2 months.
Yeah, but
to create
in the creation, I think I hate the creation process. Even though I say studio, I feel like I just want things to be done.
There is a lot of time mina ngilo nyumeni ngixoxa isitamajensi asestudio.
Yeah.
Isikhathi esiningi kakhulu
yeah, mostly. So uyabuya sesi maybe a child listening session. Sengafaka ama pointers. Lapha why don't we try to do this? Then so sesibona lokho sesikuyenza adjust then everything comes out here. So
I like teamwork yenu manje. So see expecting in album onya senifake khoneni.
April. Definitely April. Yeah. Ama dates asazo announce about it very soon. Yeah, probably the first 2 weeks of April service color and the album way to nethando
Implant.
yeah akazi ukuthi yabona ukuthi xa upheka something usuka lamhla siyadla amabunani.
Yeah, so we not forgetting ukuthi in the process of making an album we also have an EP aside. So EP already sile ngoma eyi-1 iphumile izolo Spiritual City.
Yeah.
So ku EP siyazijikela nje kancane kancane.
Link in comment section.
Ikhona vele khona phakathi ayithola.
Yeah,
So
true.
So like are you like shaped by content yenu music since lithi lina content yenu in terms of dancing lokuthi ama drums is shaped by society.
Yeah.
So ingumo ezilungiswa khona apha eCholocho. So ku music ama storylines enu are they shaped nge-life ye Bulawayo or it's
I'll say
general aspect?
I'll say this one is too personal because the school stories are Sunday.
Okay.
Our life struggles like mazikhala masifukuza sifukuze msebenzela abantu bami. So like ziyabe zikhala like deep down. Never imagine we are going to Harare, from Harare we come back to Bulawayo, we are going to Gwanda. Still it's that discovery we can have $1,
Yeah.
but at the end of the day we share that dollar. What needs to happen? Sebenzela abantwana.
Yeah.
That dollar that we make sure that our kids are fed, and that's the most common goal that we have at the end of the day. Ngaze simangalise staging, ngaze siyenzeni, but singayehla staging, we still need to go back to our families.
Yeah.
And our families is the ones that makes us who we are. And I think emakasana yethu vele sijajana ngemuli zethu. Njengoba uChera ke begqokene.
very alpha.
So phela
Nike.
uMafi Oskido wathi mina abantu babethona menhle ukuthi angiscrafi angikamanga ngibruku ama Rex amalokha elimuli yami.
Yeah.
Ngiyabona ukuthi ha mina ndandaba lesweek.
But ungacheka ipopo lakhe. My we.
Yabona.
Yeah, so yeah, I think we are relating to the community, so, but the story is something.
All right.
Yeah. Almost all of the songs that we created and that we did.
So already ngiyabona likhuluma ngepain, ngestruggle.
Yeah.
Not only.
Yeah, but
Ama happy
pain and
times
struggle,
akhona.
akhona ama happy times. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think, what I would say, personally, most of the struggles that we faced since 2019, it was not easy, my guy. Yeah, to make a brand, to make ukuthi sasa kuvuka kuthiwa hayi asante mina.
Right.
Likwanisa ukufonelwa ngumuntu from nowhere. Nalijala ukufonela abantu to look for shows, and now people are calling you. Yini asante mo? Besicela libe endaweni engaka. It means a lot. Like kulezinto eziningi ezabenziza ke.
Yeah.
Ukuthi sefikile level la. Kuloku usuku obuningi ukuthi amanje ababilale bengalalanga. Lokuthi la lapha ababili likhona sometimes yabo imagine DJ serious sikhona. But I'm loving the team spirit so far, especially from the past years. Silonchi Ndandanda yethu. I won't say so much details, but who feels it knows it. It wasn't an easy journey. Yeah, ukuthi Ndandanda ilonchwe until some people call it again and again until we played in the Harare almost 3 times, same venue. People saying we still want
this show.
We still want this. We comment about maybe we show it until we became
engaged.
Yeah, it is we are Bulawayo Festival. It was now a good show.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, it's a good package. Then we engaged some guys from Eteki. They're based in Teki, Harare, and we did the Zimseka show, of which yes, ngayo these days.
Yeah, dangerous.
Sayibona ko Bulawayo.
Oh, it's coming soon. Hopefully, we want to bring it through this February. Now, ukuthi kuyaphumelela kuhle, but vele the pipeline is going.
Nakumele bayithole.
Bayithole.
Ngibona lokhana.
Yeah, it's something fresh. So, it's the first second show to happen in Zimbabwe. They say. So now with Basbala Guinness Book of Records, they will say it's the first second show to happen in Zimbabwe. Asante Mo, Lezim Sekas, Amateur Sharp. So it's a cast of 15 boys, and I know some people out there who want to support this act to come through Bulawayo. Yeah, I think we'd like to share my contact with you through so that if everyone who wants to support through the show can always come and support.
I'm blind. You see, the Chongwin, try. Abantu these days bathanda uku-investa in something abayibonayo ukuthi le kuthiwa ngoyini social responsibility ukuthi of course mina ngiyakwanisa ukuthi unike imali yakho ngithenge whether liteke lidurayo, I can do whatever I want, but like am I making the environment safe even for the kids? Lina as a group, are there any initiatives or even individually community outreach programs or stuff that you do even umuntu esimcela ukuthi esengage la isengathi machita la besides ukugida aba deserve uncediswa nje?
No, so much let's out. I think personally we have so when we started Asandemo, the reason was we didn't start with Asandemo, so we started with Infinity Art. So Infinity Art was literally it's a group for kids that we teach dance, theater and stuff. So when we teach those kids, we just discover that we can't just approach Lights Out and say Lights Out select group here abantwana bafuna ukuthi bafike ubunjani. So we formed Asandemo so that we can get something to feed Infinity Art. Every resources that we wanted to have Infinity, so Asandemo was there to support that. Yes. So Infinity started like in 2019. Ukuthi siqalise ukubumbanisa abantwana abancane from as 5 years to 13 years, as small as they are, as young as they are, ukuthi bese beqalisa ubakwazi ukuthi mina ngakhula ngikwazi ukugida, ngiyakwanisa ukuba njengoba lo muntu ayamani lami ngikade from China ngihambe eGermany lami ngifike eChina,
into ezincane
just to inspire those kids ukuthi la uyakwanisa ukuzithengela isicathulo sakho seNike, kumbe ama-stilettos zakho wafunayo njenge-chair la ufake istyle oyifunayo through ukugida. Ngoba sometimes
kuyayilahla lapha izipana zikho
akula umsebenzi
awubona nomunye wathi ngcono ibe ngo-iShow Speed.
Yabona izipana
the art
ikufundisa, it's not only ukuthi try taking kids out from the streets. Labana is create employment manje. Lesikhangele ngendlela yena le. Khona abayi-2-3 abazaba
like ngitshela ngikhuluma ukuthi mina for example I always refer to Mr. Dube we-Iyasa. Dube so director we-art just ukuthi kuthiwa uyakufundisa ukuthi estagini balance sokumbe uhlabela sobe njani. Kuthiwe imento yokuthi iyakwanisa ukuthi ekhanda lakhe ekufundisele ukuthi i-5 rand le iyakwanisa ukuyisebenzisa sele. Ibe ngange-50 rand, i-5 rand isebenzisa ibe levaji i-5 rand. So it's life coaching. And sometimes we lack those kind of people in life because ikhanda lakho nje ungaligezi nge-$30. Land umfana oza kubamba kuhle ikhanda lakho ekwenze nge-$5, $25 uthathela phana ufake egabheni. Into ezincane ezinjalo.
Ngoba there's a study which says abantwana balalela ama-teachers abo. They are obedient to ama-role models lama teachers more than
ama-parents.
Imagine nxa umntwana nxa ekuye eklasini khona la umuntu ama-chance it's a must vele ukuthi nxa wonke umuntu singakagidi wonke umuntu eqalise bele ole homework eqalise kumalume uLeroy lapha eqalise emncedise homework yakhe ubale sabangela ama-homework basebeqedile beqalise idance yabo nxa sonke silama homework siqalisa ama-homework 10 minutes ncedisana ama-homework then bese senza idance mase siqedile lokuzenza si-check ama-homework ethu ukuthi asafe wonke umuntu usharp sesiyangikhaya. Then le reason yokuthi umzali ethi hamba kumalume uDiamond because kuza kuncedisa ini isikolo plus the dance. So we balance that.
And then umzali okunye okwenza abantwana ku-stadion le balaleleni ama-teachers more than the parents because like umntwana uzavuka ekusena esikolo engatshayisa esikolo uzahamba yenga ku-rehearsal. Umzali uzambona endlini ingxenye for 3 hours sekulalwa. And then like akatholi isikhathi
abaxoxile abantwana
abantwana karesi
umzali. I think yena thina to us la sebazalini I think silungcede because athi abantwana for example uzothi umntwana kuhambe ecrash ngo-8 ngo-7 wachayisa ngo-4
i-relief umzali
uyabona labe lo ufuna ukwenza something lebancela isevele emsebenzini lakho kube edini umntana la kade emazweni bakwenza kube i-must lights out.
Khona umzalo wesisithi even ukukhuza umntwana esithi ngiyakutshelela umalume lights into endlini.
Awusapheki sengisawutshelela umalume lights. Awusagesi imgani sengisawutshelela umalume diamond uthi awusagesi imgani. Uthi nxa ufika lapho idawona ugesi imgani hlala phansi. Wayebebe gida ngathi uza kufika ngisasa ngiyagesi.
So lapha utsho ukuthi ama-parents abantu ababo green sharp abasabazi.
Not really like, but it's just that.
Not to
That's the point. That's the point. I'm to express this civil much further. Europe was going to try after school program. It's a must for every child.
Hey,
that's what FX is a Nigerian. He was married to a German lady. So, German go to same 17 umfazi. Umchita vele after la yakwazi ukuthi nxa ucha u2 umntana ngambe emthatha esikolo ngihambisa ku basketball on Tuesday. Wednesday yakwazi ayangihambisa ku boxing lesson. Thursday ngihambisa ku swimming.
Intwana vele ayitshayisa esikole endlini.
Hayi vele abakuvumi.
Ubungezwe phela.
Abakuvumi bebesenza. Ulayi 1 day or 2 days ukuthi yakwazi ukudlala i game station.
Saturday Sunday.
Akuvunyelwe lokho. Angeke ukuthi umntwana umthole ngemanje sedlala i-station. Kumbe nge-Tuesday. But ulayi nansiya. But it's exposed sevela ku boxing sedimini
fike geze vele yafica umntwana echayisa esikole ugijimela ukadlala i-PlayStation.
Lakhona futhi yabona abalayo because ngale manje wonke umuntu abelayo i-PlayStation ayimangalisi. Lapha just a few, but just to say ama activities abantwana needs to be done abe maningi in the community. So we are playing a very good role like what you asked ukuthi umuntu engasibuza ukuthi what besides Asante Mo, what are we doing aside? And I mean personally I'm a community champion. I work with abadala be-community eMakokoba, community development committee eMakokoba. I think I'm one of the youth part kwabadala, so representing my youth khona lapha eMakokoba into zama clean up campaign, how to develop our community. Khona lokho esikukhuluma la community advocacy. So I'm one of the champions that are advocating for the community. Ukuthi Thabiso Youth Center ibe lama facilities akwanileyo, abomzilikazi youth center bekwanise ukuthi ama-youth bebe lama access to those things. And I think besides being a dancer and a performer, I'm that kind of a person. And I'm also, besides Makokoba, I'm helping ama-youth ePhumula to do Amapraka Awards, and it's a very growing, very fast-growing production. And Nanjego production manager, I would say I'm so glad to see. I'm working. I think that was our 6th year. And we look at catch, which means in a span alive. Nobody wants to coach. Yeah, maybe I can say. Yeah, now I understand the process. So, yeah, I think those are other things that we do besides that.
But is Asante Mo the initiative?
Yeah, so far I don't want to lie. Besides the Infinity Art. Yes, so far that's what we can do. And also we're helping. We always go to Ezimki, the orphanage. And if we have Christmas parties or something, we can always help them, entertain them.
And they also featured in our video.
Yeah, that's very special as well. Yeah.
The video yakho ikhona ku YouTube ngithi ngayidinga lapha nalibuyele ethiwa nguwangala. Unyume ngithanda ukuthi ethi ngesindebele uyabhala wangala.
Wangala. Yeah, but it's called Wangala. Yeah. It's a
reimagination. Ngesindebele uyabhala wangala.
Yeah, Wangala. Yeah, so I think lights out is a lot about Asante Mo. We can talk about Asante Mo.
I think thanks a lot. Looking forward to more discussions. The Asante Mo. I think let this one just be the one for people to get to know you.
Yeah, so much. Yes. Yeah. We are trying by all means to be out there to the world, and we are promising people good music, good productions, and I think this year we are growing and growing. So far, I think for the past years, you know, kunzima la ethi ukuthi lingamajita li5 lizwanane lonke livumelane ukuthi let's go for this. Sonke singazake uxabana siyexabana vele singabantu but ngabona sesa futhi livuka and pick your stuff siyakushola konke ligwanile lifike lishiye same drinks and everything. It means we are learning from every day. So I think to everyone who's watching and some inspirations to say to the upcoming artists as well, I would like to say I don't just say things from my head but udirector wamathi ngafuna ukuba ngumakanika qalisa kathesi. Kwenzela ukuthi kusiyafika 10 years to come yabe sungu-mastermind. For example, nxa ufuna ukuthengisa amatamatisi qalisa kathesi. In 5 years to come, yabe
farm.
Yes.
Plus.
I always say this to so a lot of people, and thanks to Mr. Dwe for that. Ukuthi kare sungatqalisa, imagine ngabe Asantemo simekhona siqalisa kathesi sisitsheta sizabe lokho sithi
yapha siqalisa vision 2030.
But now since 2019 since we started saba the same vision, same mindset, let's do this. And I think kare singama-mastermind out here. Angawuthi even lobo yaseHarare lobo sechipinge babotala bafana bachaya ingungu so okumangalisayo sibi but I finally Asantemo, of which I'm so glad with the brand is growing fast and people love the works that we do. Apologetic ukuthi social media ithi ayikho that good.
Incedisa itask yakho. Mele ungifake imbe admin.
Thank you so much.
Admin.
Sure baba. So I think thank you so much for this lovely episode. My name is Women Treated, as I'm saying. This was the Utaiza, Ubaba Sunshine.
Papa Sunshine.
Ufana wethi.
Hayi, asikafi. I think into zami.
Just kafi. Alright. Yeah. Out. Mina ngingoliroy ngabutho umfoka chuko lithi mageza uthapha ice cream ngiyagcoba ngayo ngoba ikhempa iya ngepangula.
Yo. So thank you ladies and gentlemen, enjoy, remember to subscribe.